In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use simple templates in Obsidian. If you've ever found yourself repeating the same structure in your notes, templates will save you time and keep everything consistent. We'll start from a fresh setup and end with a template you can insert anywhere with a single shortcut. First, open Obsidian. Once your vault is visible, look to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the left sidebar, choose Core Plugins. These are built-in features that you can toggle on or off. Find Templates and switch it on. This unlocks the template tools we need without installing anything extra. Next, still in Settings, click Templates. Here you'll point Obsidian to the folder where your templates live. If you already have a folder for templates, choose it. If not, create one in your Vault's File Explorer and then select it here. A clear name like Templates makes it easy to find later. While you're on this page, notice the date and time format options. These control how placeholders like date and time will render when you insert a template. Now, let's make your first template. In the File Explorer, open your Templates folder and create a new note inside it. Give it a descriptive name so you can recognize it at a glance. In the note body, type the content you want to reuse. For example, you could set up a structure like this: a title at the top, a line for the date using a placeholder, and sections for what you plan to capture. A simple example might look like our meeting notes, followed by date, and headings for agenda, attendees, and action items. You can tailor these sections to your workflow. When you're finished, save the file. Obsidian usually autosaves, but you can also save manually if you prefer. With your template ready, open any note where you want to reuse that structure. It can be a new blank note or something you are already working on. Place the cursor where you want the template to appear. To insert, press Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac, plus T. Alternatively, click Insert Template if you prefer using the interface. A list of your templates will appear. Choose the one you just created, and it will drop right into your note instantly. If you use placeholders like /date, they'll resolve according to the formats you set in the template settings. That's it. You've enabled the Templates plugin, set a template folder, created your first template, and inserted it with a shortcut. Repeat this process to build templates for daily notes, project pages, or any recurring note structure, and enjoy a smoother, more consistent note-taking workflow.